Hey, what's up guys? Got the new Fire TV Pro remote. This is the new remote that just came out for Fire TV streaming devices. So whether you have the Fire TV Cube or the Fire TV Stick, it's compatible with a whole bunch of them. So opening this up, you get hello instructions, you get some batteries on the bottom, and yeah, so two AAA batteries, good to go there. So let's look at the remote real quick. So some cool things about this that the other ones don't have. Starting off with the headphone button for a shortcut to Bluetooth pairing. I hold that and I let go. You see on the right side of the screen, it's gonna look for Bluetooth audio devices. You have all the similar buttons, you know, the navigation, Alexa, home, menu, back, you know, rewind, play, pause, fast forward, TV guide settings, channel up and down, volume up and down, mute, and now you have the two customizable buttons 1 and 2. You go to the same place that you added them. So if I go to settings, controllers, remotes, remote pro, button 1 shortcut. So you get several options. You can either put your apps. So if I want to put Crunchyroll on this one, and button 2, you have the same choices. You can go to more actions. You could say, you know, show me my stuff, for example. But you could say photos or any of this stuff. And once all that's set, if I press 1, it's going to open up Crunchyroll. And if I press 2, it's just going to show me my stuff on Amazon Prime, which is a nice feature. And you have your app button. So really, most notably, the differences are the headphone button and 1 and 2. So not a huge difference between all three, but it is nice that now you have these two customizable buttons. Now, the main thing that I like about this is it has a remote finder. So if you lose a remote, which you know has happened to me a few times, so this is a good time saver. Alexa, find my remote.
Let me try to ring your first remote control. This could take up to 30 seconds.
That's awesome. And you also have backlit buttons, which is also nice. You need your existing remote or some sort of remote to add this new one. So you go to settings with the existing one, you go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, and then you click on this Amazon Fire TV remote, then you click on add new remote. And on the new one, you just hit the home button like it's showing you, ready to pair, just click OK. Press select on your old remote to confirm adding this new one. And there we go. It's going to update the new remote and it's pretty much done.